Hello, good morning, everyone. We will start in less than 5 minutes. Hello again. So please, can you tell me my voice is clear? Is my voice clear? Assalamu alaikum. Okay, okay. Thank you, guys. So today, this is Hussein Mustafa. I'm the project manager of the United Arab Emirates IoT and AI Challenge. I'm with you today to have like a small discussion and brief about the challenge and about your participation, about the timeline and what we will do in the next week. So this is like a little brief. Please, we will share all this video with you after the meeting. So if one of your friends didn't attend today, you can send him this video. Also, at the end of the presentation, we will receive your questions, please, here, and we will answer it for around 10 minutes. So prepare yourself, and if you have any question, you can leave them later here, yeah, on YouTube comments, and I will see them all. Yeah. Okay, so let's start and let me share my screen. Okay, so today we are talking about the UE challenge. The UE challenge this year is like it's the fifth year for it. So let's start with what's the challenge. The challenge is like a capacity building and pre-incubation program. We are working with you high school students, university students, and startups who have any innovative ideas in the areas of Internet of Things or artificial intelligence. And we are helping them to make like their products to come to the next stage through a long-term program. So the challenge organizers for this year are the IEEE United Arab Emirates section, the IEEE TEMS, and GIE company, and in partnership, of course, with many academic partners. Of course, we have the Emirati establishment organization association with us. We have like corporate partners. We have a government partner in this challenge. And the mission of the challenge is to simulate an innovation-based economy in the UAE. And we are trying through facilitating and promoting innovation and entrepreneurship with different activities we are doing in the training camp with you. So this was like challenge numbers. We have plus 85 university teams joined us along the past years. We have plus 170 high school teams joined us. We have plus 60 startups joined us and plus 1,000 participants got with us in this activity. The UAE challenge is a part of a bigger initiative or a bigger challenge. It's called the Arab Challenge. And the challenge that's happening here is the same is happening in Algeria, Bahrain, Jordan, Egypt, Lebanon, Libya, Morocco, Oman, Palestine, Qatar, Tunisia, and United Arab Emirates, of course. So this is like a big, wide challenge that you have. The UAE challenge is part of it. This is like a small also numbers for the challenge in the past years on the Arab level. And we have like many success stories who joined us. As I told you, the challenge tracks, we are working with the university students who have like a mature projects in their engineering or IT fields. And they are having like some of training that related to them. And for you, for the high school students, we are accepting like ideas maybe in the early stage, and we are working with them to have like to promote this activity for the next level, and we're consulting them through a training camp. Then we have the third track is the startups track, and I think it's like for somehow some of mature startups who have done a lot of work and they are going to the next level. The regional finals of the UAE of the Arab Challenge, when you are qualifying from the United Arab Emirates Challenge, you join the Arab finals in GITEX North Star for this year to compete with other participants from other countries. The ideas, we are open to all kinds of categories. We have like ideas, maybe you join with an idea related to the fintech, to the energy, to the smart agriculture, to the sports tech, to the smart manufacturing, to the automotive. So if you have any kind of project related to Internet of Things or artificial intelligence technologies, you can join with. So the benefits of your participation is a lot. Firstly, you will have like a free access to a valuable technical content and business content you will have in the next days. You will have like a mentorship and from the IoT and AI expert through the training sessions you will get. You will have an opportunities if you have like a mature project to go to the next level and to have to network with the industry leaders or leaders from big companies and big names and to connect with them on the ground. Of course, for the winners of the UAE challenge, you will have a bigger exposure through exhibiting inside GITEX Technology Week. And this is like one of the benefits for the winners from the UAE challenge. As we started, we have like a roadshow this year along the last May and June. We have make like some partnerships. You got I think many mails from your universities by the opportunity of joining. Then we have the registration process. It was across August, and then we will start the training camps and technical support in the next days. Then we will have the final submission. It will be at the 10th of October, and we will make like a small filtration, and we will have the UAE Challenge finals where you will pitch for the finals of the UAE Challenge on the 12th of October, most probably. So we started this year with the opening ceremony, and we have like an opening ceremony with a lot of people from the network of the challenge. And then we will have like this is a glimpse of the trainings and mentorship we had in the past years. And this is like from the pitching and the presentations that are made in the finals of the UAE challenge. And this like some of our success stories from the different tracks. We have like success stories from the universities track and from the startups track, and those were the winners from the school track. By the way, the last year we have Dubai hands-on steers. It was a project which was the first place at the UAE challenge, and we have another project was qualified. It's called UAE Outings. It won the first place of the Arab IoT finals. This is like some other stories from different years. So this is like you also get like a big exposure and access to a class worldwide representatives. You will have an access to the media presence, press presence, and you will have like a big exposure on different stages and in different activities. We have like online presence plus 50,000 followers in our community, and we have like plus 1 million outreach. I think we can watch like a small video for this, but firstly, let me tell you that the main organizers for this initiatives are the IEEE section, GIE, IEEE TIMS. Our strategic partners are Emirates School Establishment and Dubai University. Our main partners are DIWA and TDRA, and our academic partners are many universities from United Arab Emirates, different Emirates. So let me share like a quick video. The video will give you a small some highlights or more exposure about the activity you will have in the next days. Okay, I think this was all from my side. As I told you, it was a quick presentation. Please, I will wait for your questions. And if you have anything, I'm with you here to answer your questions in the next couple of minutes. Yeah. Okay, so let me start with answering some questions. So, do we need to bring a model for our project? In this stage, yes. If you have a prototype, it will be a good thing. And for the finals, it's part of the assessment that you have a prototype. Will be all the workshops online? Yes, the workshops all will be virtual. Also, we sent you like a camp details. We will have only the finals will be physical, and the place will be determined very soon. It will be on the 12th of October. We start with building our projects. Okay, thank you for the great introduction. Will we attend anywhere these days? It will be virtual. KM Ahmad, Saif El Ghaliani, the final submission, which will be on the 10th of October, will be as a video or a slides. It will be both. It will be your presentation according to the sessions you will get in the next days on the 4th and 5th of October. You will know how to make a presentation or a pitching deck that you will submit, and it will be a short video to make this presentation. Will I need to go somewhere or it's also online? No, it will be also online. Only Maitha. Will be the lectures be online? Yes, I'm answering this. All the sessions and it will be virtually. Only the finals of the UAE will be physically. It will be post Laila video or slides for the final submission. As a high school student, do we just need to propose an idea or also a model? The teams that will be competing to the Arab finals, they will have like a prototype. But if you have also an idea, you can go and get the trainings and you can make the submissions that you have don't have a prototype, but try to make like a prototype as much as you can. When we will attend Dubai University, the finals, it's not determined the place yet, but most probably it will be Dubai University. It will be on the 12th of October. The upcoming sessions are going to be the same time as today. No, we send you the timings and we will send it again. It will be from at the end of the day from 6 to 9. Okay. And we will share these timings with you. What will happen if we didn't find the time to do my model? Is it okay? It will be okay to attend the trainings and to get like the submission to make it and to say that you don't have this prototype yet, but to make the presentation, the video, and the mentors or judges who will put scores to qualify teams to the finals will determine this. Yeah, would be only for the top 33 from overview, which means Arab finals. No, no. The 12th of October, we have like around 150 teams from all UAE, different sectors. So that we will filter these teams and we will have around 10 teams will qualify to the finals judging on the 12th of October. Okay. And on the 12th of October, we will know the top 3 winners who will come to the Arab finals inside GITEX itself. About our port idea, what if another idea came up after the registration can change it? Habiba, please, Habiba Badawi, can you send an email with the registered idea and tell us the new idea? For the prototype, do we make a digital or actual function? One, it's up to you. The most important thing, it's like a thing related to the Internet of Things or artificial intelligence, or both of them. Should we create it or just talk about it? No, you have to create it because this is like the teams who will qualify, but you can talk about it if you don't have it or you didn't make it and start the first steps. After we send the video and the prototype, we need to wait for a confirmation to attend the finals, right? Yes. LJ, yes, fine. The final submission on the 12th of October. No, it will be on the 10th. And on the 10th of the night, you will know the top 10 teams that will compete to the judging event on the 12th. Do we make a PowerPoint or a video? The final submission will be both of them. It will be only online, yes. How with the filtration will that attend UAE finals? How will the filtration? Yeah, it's about a scoring sheet, and we have like some certain criteria we share we may share with you, and you will take a grade. The top 10 teams they will qualify. Will we present face to face, online face? The presentation at the UAE finals will be face to face. Mar Bakhit, Sondus, Abdel Haj Hassan. So the final submission, which will be on 10th, it will be on the 10th, and you will have a certain prototype. Can you mention what are the requirements of the submission? The submissions will be both things. It will be a presentation and a video for the presentation, in a pitching deck or a presentation you will attach, and a video that you are making the presentation for all the teams. And we will make a filtration, and after this filtration, we will qualify the top 10 teams to the UAE IoT finals on the 12th. We should have a real model. We can just present it online because some projects are too hard to create a real model of. I answered this. The best thing is to have a prototype. If you don't have to make it. You can submit only with a certain idea and to attend the training. How long? Every training day will be around 3 hours for 3 days. For sharing the idea for a better idea, which email we can contact the email K Ahmed that that you received to attend, and it's like the UE at Arab IoT AI .org. In the end of, we need to build a physical copy of the model. Can you just 3D in a picture? Noura, I qualified this. Should it be in English? All the presentations will be in English only. No Arabic in the competition or in the challenge. We focus the most while preparing? What should we focus on the most while preparing? I think you have to focus about the training and the content you will get on the next days, on 4th and 5th of October and 6th, because this is like the timers of the presentation, and to know what the people who are giving you the training say, and to make your best. I told you, Fatima, what will be happening on 10th, the final submission. Yes, it's only had 10 teams will attend the university. Maybe if we got like many numbers of submission and many numbers of very good ideas, and the very good ideas, I mean here, a good idea with a good prototype, this maybe we increase the number of 10, but for now we have only 10 teams will attend to make the pitching on site. At what time is it going to start at the end? For the virtual trainings, they most probably will start at 6 and end at 9. Will the next meetings will be the same time because we have a school? No, it will be I answered this at the night. What is the judging criteria? We will send LJ later. Where do I send my presentation? It will be through a Google form we will share with you. Don't worry. What time the meeting start? Usually it starts at 6. I answered this. Where do we submit the presentation? I answered this. The model will be 3D or picture. The model, it have to be a prototype. If you have like a software solution, it will be on the software, no problem, on your laptop. But if it will be like a physical prototype, you will present it at the day of judging. What was the previous winner's idea? No, Sarah Al-Hamadi. This was, you can go to the our UAE IoT and AI challenge page, and you can check the ideas. You will find everything from the previous history. It's not time for this. We have another maybe 2 minutes. So please, if you have any kind of questions, just answer me. No, the presentations will be in English, and the content of the presentation will be also in English. No, 6 p.m. Layla. Of course, not 6 a.m. Don't worry. Will the except if I want to change the idea all over with different category? Yes, KM Ahmad just sent us on a mail with the required details. Okay, LJ, I think you are asking again about the judging criteria. I said this will be sent soon. The time, it's not suitable at 6. Hello, Bashir. Unfortunately, all the trainings will be at 6. The one who will not attend, we will send the video and you can see the content once, but it's a mandatory to have this attendance by your team. What will happen if you don't chosen? You will get like a certificate with your participation only at the training phase. Yes, the sessions will be recorded, and it will be sent you soon, but you have to attend and you have to send an email. I am Fevuni. I'm answering your questions. You will have to send an email by the call that you will not be attending, because we will have like every team will be terminated if they didn't attend. The submission will be through Google form. Where do we submit? I answered this. Well, I understand we should have our PowerPoint and prototype or our project on the finals. Yani, the best project that have a prototype, because this will be a main answer and you will show it in the video, and the details of the video will be required soon. Where do we submit? How do we show our prototypes? The prototypes will be in the video, and it will be send the full details how to make a shots for it if you have the prototype. Okay, and this will be yani, answered. Don't worry. No, I mean when we explain the project for you, it can be both languages. Yani, at the presentations, at the trainings, everything will be in English. But when we communicate, we can communicate in Arabic, no problem. Yani. How the qualification will be? How many qualification phases? It's only the final submission that will qualify you to the UAE finals. And if you become one of the winners of the UAE finals, you will qualify for the Arab finals. I know you said that, but the training will be starting at 6 p.m. Yes, for the other days. Yes, it will be managed on 6 p.m. Where we should we attend a fifth virtually through Zoom. And we sent you, and we will send another mail with Zoom link and everything. Should provide as the material of the meeting. We can attend. Yes, but again, Bashir, you have to send an email to say that you will not attend because of a reason, because the attendance is a must. Hello, Aisha. Yes, if only one of the team is attending, no problem. Okay, or sorry, if one is missing, no problem. But the other members have to attend. To everyone attend on the 10th, or only the chosen projects? No, Fatima, on the 10th, it's only the final submission. The final event will be on 12, and all the teams at this time will have to attend, of course. An application can be presented on the iPad because of yeah, no problem, Rana Ahmad. Yes, you can show in the video, and we will send this. You can show this in the video, no problem. Your project, even it's a software. Yeah, it's better to improve on our project presented and registered, or to make a new one, because the time is limited to make a new one. And Satama, you will learn in the next few days how to make a good presentation and to attach, and this will be one of our duties with the trainers. And every team will know how to edit and to make his presentation very good. How many participations will be in the UAE finals and the Arab finals? In the UAE finals, every track has 10 teams for now, but for the school track, maybe we have more than 10 teams, because the number of students who registered is big. Maybe we have like a 15 teams, but this will depending on the quality of the project, and we will make our decision on the 10th, not now. What are the 4 parts needed to be ready in the projects? I don't mean what the 4 parts, but you will know how to make your projects ready and the submissions later. Going to present their work on 10th. No, the presentations will be on 12 for only the qualifying teams. On 10th, you will have to submit a video and a presentation, and we will assess this presentation and this video. And if you got like a high score from the top 10 teams, you will qualify to present physically. What will we get if we win? You will, Maita, you will have an access inside Jitex. You will have an exhibition board, and this exhibition board is like a place where you can present your project. For all the UAE teams have one exhibition board inside Jitex, and this is like one of the benefits. You will have like an access to network with other partners and stakeholders from different countries. You will have a big exposure. If you get one of the winners, you get a trophy, the stage of Jitex. So it will be like a mini exposure you will get. Ox Alb. No, the presentations with the project have to show your face in the video. Yani it's one of the most mandatory things. You will be getting the things that we need to mention in the video in the upcoming meeting, right? No, it will be sent an email. The upcoming meetings, It's a trainings, so you will get trainings, not a meetings, and we will be with you at the trainings, of course, but we will send you an email with the needed and required things in the video. Can you submit before 10th? Of course, yes, because we will send the submission form on the 7th, and you will have like a 3 days or 4 days to make it. How can I make a video of an app? It will be your problem, Laila. No, you can make it, no problem. You can make like take a screen recording or a mobile recording, and you can add it to video. You will put it, yeah. The announcement of qualified teams, top 10 will be on the 11th. Yes, on the 10th noon or on the 11th, يعني, at the most thing, but we will try to make it at the 10th at the night. No, Laila, it will a presentation and a video, and this video will be required to talk in it, and you can add some part of the video part of your project. The Arab finals will be on 16. The judging will be on 16th, and the announcing the winners will be on 17th. Hello, Anas. The submission will be done through a Google form we will send with you soon. I answered this, Anas. I think we are good for now. I think we have covered many questions. So, yeah, thank you so much. And if you have other questions, you can send us on the email we send. This is like, we will have like a quick replies on you. Yes, on the 12th, no, you will have the winners on the 13th, LJ. What about the partners, the patients or Bantons? Yeah, I don't know, Maitha, what uh, you said. You say the patent it's about قصدك براءة الاختراع يعني أو كده. مش فاهم سؤالك. That's because we have exams on the 12th of October, so we need to arrange accordingly. Thanks a lot. تمام يا سيف, don't worry, we will يعني help you on this because we may change the day to 13. It's not 100% confirmed, most probably on 12. Maybe we make it on 13. It's according to the venue and everything and judges and other things. Which email should we contact? I think I can send you the email now. Okay, so we can have this. انت هتاخدي شهادة يا ميتة, مش براءة اختراع. It will be a certificate for your participation in the event, not as a براءة اختراع. Okay, I left for you like the email in the chat. It's UAE at arabiotai.org. تمام يا هدد. Okay. Thank you so much again. And if you have any other questions, you can send us on the email. We will be a quick response. Our next milestone will be on 4th of October. We will have a training from 6 to 9. The email will be sent to you with the full details of the Zoom link of how to participate and everything. The training topic also we send it in the files. You can check it from our last email. Thank you so much. The email is upstairs here يا ليلى. هتلاقي حسين مصطفى I write it يعني. No, tomorrow we don't have anything. The trainings will be start on 4th and 5th and 6th. Okay. Thank you so much. Thank you, Saitana. Thank you, Majid. And see you soon all. Thank you so much again. And see you on the 4th of October in the first day training, inshallah. Thank you. I can share only this because if you want to take a screenshot, please take, and we will send also the video again. This is like the trainings of your the schedule of the training. I think you have an email that you can take a screenshot for it now. I will leave it for only like maybe 10 seconds, and then I will close it. Okay. I think thank you again, and we will share this file with you again, the one who didn't receive it yet. Thank you so much. Thank you. Bye bye. Please, Fahmi, you can now finish this meeting.